Welcome back to mathematics, and today we are going to start with question 8 of paper 12 May June 2024. So let's begin. So they say diagram shows a symmetrical plate. So they are talking about A, B, C, D, E, F, this whole symmetrical plate. Line ABCD is a straight line, this line is a straight line, and length of BC is 2 centimeter. This much is 2 centimeter. Each of the two sectors ABF and CDE, they are both of same radii r centimeter, and each of the angles ABF and DCE both are 1/3 pi radians. Now in part A they have given you r to be equals to 0.4 centimeters. So which length is given? This one. This one is 0.4. This one is 0.4. Okay. This one is also 0.4. And this one is also 0.4. So 0.4 and 0.4. I'm writing here. Now there is one more thing that is given to us. So first let's understand that if we have this line BC to be 2 centimeter, then the line just below it from here to here will also be 2 centimeter. Okay, so this much will be 2 centimeters. Okay, now try and understand what are we supposed to find. We need to show that the length EF is equals to 2.4 centimeter. So EF, we need to find this total length E to F. Okay, now how can we find it? We already know, if we just name it this to be G and this point to be H, so EF length would be equals to FG length plus GH length plus HE length. And from here we get to know that this much is 2 centimeter and these two we need to find. So how can we find this much? You can see we have a few things that we know here, and that are, we know the radius, this hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So what we can do, we know this hypotenuse, and also what do we know from here? We know this angle as well. If this is pi/3, then this also must be pi/3. Okay, so from here, and this height is 0.4, we know this to be radii. So if we compare this side with this side, this is base, like adjacent and hypotenuse, so this will be related by cos of pi/3. So cos over pi/3 is FG over FB. Okay, and FB is 0.4. So FG is going to be equals to 0.4 times cos of pi/3. What is cos pi/3? Cos pi/3 means cos 60, and that is 1/2. So this will give you 0.4 times 1/2, and that will give you 0.2. Okay, so from here, if this is 0.2, as we have, like, it's a symmetrical plate, if this is 0.2, then this also must be 0.2 centimeters. So here we get 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 2 centimeters. So this will give you 2.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is length EF. Now they say find the area of the plate. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Area of the plate, as you can see, is equal to the area of some of the components, this area of this sector, okay, plus the area of this triangle, plus the area of this rectangle, plus this triangle, plus this sector, okay. So we have multiple things. So what we can do, first write down the area in terms of these, like in the whole expression form. So area of the plate is going to be equals to 2 times area of the sector, this sector and this sector. So 2 times area of the sector plus 2 times the area of triangle plus the area of the rectangle, the middle part. Just let me arrange it a bit. So what it would be, area of sector would be half r square theta. So we'll write down the values later. First write down what it is. R square theta, then area of triangle would be half base times height. So base is 0.2 and height we don't know. So we have to find that as well. Okay. This is pi over 3. Okay, so this was FG. So plus area of triangle would be, this is 2 twice. So write down in detail everything. Twice the area of sector plus twice the area of rectangle, half. What is base? I'm writing the in FG form and PG, or you can generalize it. Best is to generalize this. It will become then this. Let's take this side to be x on both sides, okay, and this to be y. So because we have to find the same, so let's take that. So 2 times FG times PG, or you can write 2 times x times y to make it more easy to understand. Okay, then we have plus area of rectangle, and area of rectangle would be y times 2. Y is the breadth and 2 is the length of this. Okay, now let's substitute in the values. X we got to be 0.2 and r we got to be 0.4. So 2 times half 0.4 square, and what is the theta? Angle is pi over 3. So pi over 3 plus twice half x times y. X is 0.2 and y is we need to find. So let's find y. This is the working for x. Now let's do the working for y. We can also take the same triangle for it. So if we relate sine pi by 3, because if this is pi by 3, so this is also going to be pi by 3 in both the triangles. So sine pi by 3 will be equals to opposite, that is y, over hypotenuse, that is 0.4. So we will get it to be y will be equals to 0.4 times sine pi by 3, and sine pi by 3 is root 3 over 2. So root 3 over 2. So if we'll simplify this, we'll get it to be 4 times, it will become root 3 over 5. Okay, when you simplify it. So y is root 3 over 5. So root 3 over 5 plus root 3 over 5 times 2. So it will become, so solve it directly with the help of a calculator and you will get 0.9297, and the answer should be up to 3 significant figures. So we'll write it to be, so it will become 0.92, so this will round up to 10 and this will become 0.930. Okay, so yeah, this is your final answer. Now part B, it is given instead that the perimeter of the plate is 6 centimeter. So perimeter means the outer boundary of this is going to be equals to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of r. As you can see, the r value was just given for part A to be 0.4 centimeter. This is not the actual value for the whole question. Okay, the only thing that goes for the whole question is 2 centimeter this length and pi over 3 radians. So let's look into this, how we can find the perimeter. So the perimeter would be equals to, this perimeter is actually going to be equals to AB length, starting from here, AB plus BC length plus CD length. Okay, CD is actually the radius. This is R. This is, okay, no, we don't need the internal, so just take this R. So is AB is also R and CD is also R, and then plus arc length DE, arc length DE plus EF length, and finally FA arc length plus arc length FA. Is going to be equals to 6 centimeters. So from here we need to find the R. Okay, how can we find R? R is what is arc length? Arc length is R theta. Okay, so let's take R theta. We know theta to be pi by 4, sorry, pi by 3. So pi over 3 plus EF. What would be EF length? EF would be equals to EF. EF, we said previously also that it is comprising of 3 lengths. This length we said to be X. So this is X, this is 2, and this is your this much is your 2 centimeter. Okay. So your EF length would be equals to, if we call this to be x and x, so it will be 2x plus 2. Okay, this EF length, and plus the arc length FA will again be r times pi over 3. Okay, now how can we find x from here? If we look into this is your r, so x, and this is your pi over 3, so x will be equals to, x over r will be equals to again cos pi over 3. And if we write this x in terms of r, it will be equals to, x will be equals to r cos pi over 3. So we can also use this in place of this. So yeah, it would be equals to then 2r plus 2 plus r pi over 3 plus 2 times, what is x? X is r cos pi over 3 plus 2 plus r pi over 3. So we have this also twice, so we can write this 2r pi over 3 instead of writing it again. Okay. Okay, next thing is, instead of writing for 2 times everything, I just added up all the sides, okay, all the boundaries. So no problem. Also this 2 can add up to this 2 to make it a 4. So just do that also. Now just take r common and solve the rest. So 2r plus 4 plus 2 times pi over 3 r plus 2 times r. What is cos pi over 3? Cos pi over 3 is 1 over 2. So we are again left with 1 r, because 1 over 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we are again left with r. So we are left with here 3r plus 4 plus 2 pi over 3 r equals to 6. So now do the 6 minus 4 and take r common here. It will become 3 plus 2 pi over 3. Okay, r is taken common, 4 is moved to the other side. So 2 equals r times 3 plus 2 pi over 3. So just divide 3 plus 2 pi over 3 by from 2, like 2 divided by 3 plus 2 pi over 3, and your r will, when you do it directly with the calculator, okay, just write it down, 3 plus 2 pi over 3. So when you do it, it will give you 0.3926. So this is the final value for your r. Okay, you have to give your answer up to 3 decimal places. So it will be 0.393. So if your perimeter is equals to 6 centimeter, so the value of r is 0.393 centimeter. So that's all about question number 8. I hope you understand this. Thank you.